Hello friends, today we'll see the text analysis or sentiment analysis. We'll use the Python function for this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we'll use the Textblob function. So sentiment analysis is basically the process of determining the attitude or the emotion of the writer, that is whether it is a positive or negative or neutral. Okay, the sentiment function will use the Textblob function, which will return the two properties like polarity and subjectivity. Okay, so we'll use the we'll need to import this or install this Textblob function. Okay, so change your directory, okay, where your Python is installed. Go to that function, go to that my Python is installed here, and open the script file and copy this path and paste here. So you have changed your directory where your Python is installed. Then we need to install pip install. We need to install. Okay, so I have already installed. I think this spelling mistake. Everything is in small. Okay, it's already installed. Then we need to install one more thing. Okay, install nltk. Okay, this is already installed. We'll open our Python IDLE. Okay, so I'll create a new file. Okay, so I will create a div function for this. Okay, so first import, I will import these functions which I have already installed from Textblob. Import this capital TXT capital B. Okay, next from Textblob only, from text dot sentiment will import the naive analyzer. Okay, it will analyze the sentence and it will find out it is a positive or negative sentence. Okay, analyzer. Okay, then import the final one, nltk. Okay, then I'll create one variable send. Okay, text raw, will create one variable here, text. Okay, so next we'll find the polarity. So your polarity is a we'll find the polarity, and then subjectivity equal to dot subjectivity. Okay, then we'll analyze this statement sent equal to we'll pass this variable, and then we'll use the analyzer. Okay, analyzer, this analyzer will use. Then we'll do the classification. It will return the positive or negative statement. Classification equal to sent dot sentiment classification. Okay, so we classified. So if it is a positive statement, if it is positive, then it should return sent dot sentiment dot p underscore pos. Okay, if it is negative statement, send dot sentiment dot p underscore neg. Okay, now we'll print it. We'll print the classification, if it is positive or negative, and then the positive number and the negative. Okay, now I'll pass in a variable t equal to I love t. So I will call this text analysis. We'll pass the t where I have stored the message. Okay, now I'll save this. Okay, now we'll run this. Okay, I have forgot to pass the argument here, so we need to pass the argument here, text. Okay, so small t. Analyzer 16, which is that sent equal to text plus b is need to be capital 1. Okay, save it and run one more time. Okay, so I love t is, this should be a positive statement. Okay, so the result is this is a positive statement, and this is the polarity is 0.54 and the subjectivity is 0.45. Okay, you can see the subjectivity is of personal opinion. It's the opinion or emotion or judgment, so it's a personal opinion, that's why it came 0.45. okay, and the polarity is also lies between -1 to +1, and +1 means positive, -1 means negative, so it's in between -1 to +1, so it's a positive statement. Okay, so I have one website where you can find movie reviews. Here I have movies. I have so many reviews here, So just select one of the movie reviews and pass this. We'll check that's a positive or negative review. Okay, I will take this. Past here, I will run this. So we'll check this a positive or negative review. It's taking time. So it's a negative review, and it's the subjectivity is 0.999. okay, we can, so based on this you can select this as a negative. We have similar reviews, you can select one and you can analyze this. Okay, so I'll take this. This film is absolutely gold. If I have not seen it, too. Okay, so I think it's a positive. We'll see how it is coming. And delete it and pass this again. I will run one more time. So this is a positive statement. You can see the polarity is 0.9997 and the subjectivity is around minus number. Okay, this small, so small number. Okay, in this way you can write your own text analysis or sentiment analysis. Okay, thank you guys.